Welcome to day 7, where we focus on consolidating your understanding of the key concepts covered in week 1. Today's session will be divided into two parts, a multiple choice quiz to test your knowledge and a comprehensive recap of the topics we have covered so far. Let's begin with the multiple choice quiz. This quiz will cover the essential topics we have learned during week 1. The questions will test your understanding of what object-oriented programming is, its core concepts like encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism, as well as the differences between classes and objects. Additionally, you will recall concepts such as constructors, static members, and how to implement encapsulation to protect an object's internal state. Get ready to challenge yourself. Now let's take a step back and review week 1's core concepts. We started by understanding object-oriented programming or OOP. OOP models real-world systems, allowing for easier structure and maintenance. It focuses on objects which encapsulate both data and behavior. This week we have seen how OOP helps us organize and manage code effectively. Encapsulation and abstraction are key concepts in OOP. Encapsulation allows us to protect an object's integral state, providing controlled access through getters and setters. This ensures data integrity and security. Abstraction, on the other hand, hides the complex implementation details and exposes only the essential features of an object, making it easier for users to interact with it without worrying about the inner workings. Inheritance and polymorphism take OOP to the next level. Inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and behaviors from another, promoting code reusability. We explored single, multi-level, and hierarchical inheritance. Polymorphism enables objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common subclass. This concept allows for method overriding and function overloading, making code more flexible and dynamic. Next, we looked at constructors and static members. Constructors are special methods used to initialize objects, ensuring they start with valid data. We also learned about static members, which are shared across all instances of a class. Static variables and methods can be accessed without creating an instance of the class, making them useful for tracking global states like the count of created objects. To reinforce what we have learned, we have a recap challenge for you. Your task is to refactor a poorly designed class by applying the principles of encapsulation and utilizing static members where necessary. Additionally, try creating a real-world system like a library or banking system using the concepts we have covered in week 1. This exercise will help solidify your understanding of how to structure OOP applications. That concludes our day 7 session. Remember, the quiz and recap are designed to help you consolidate your understanding of week 1 OOP concepts. Take the time to reflect on what you have learned, revisit any areas where you feel unsure, and make sure you are comfortable with the core OOP principles like classes, objects, constructors, and static members. With this solid foundation, you are ready to move on to more advanced OOP topics in the coming weeks.